Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the ESPN application for the past few days, and now I've facing a lot of problem while launching my application. So if you are facing the same kind of problems, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can try in order to fix the issue. First of all, you will have to simply restart your application. For that, you need to just close your application. You need to come out of your application completely. Then you just have to remove the app from the background as well. Then launch your company portal app again and tap on the sign in option in order to log in into your account. This can resolve any minor glitches that you are facing with your iTunes company portal application. The second thing that you need to do is to simply check your internet connection. You need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. If not, you can try this trick in which you will have to swipe down your notification bar, tap on the airplane mode for 5 seconds, then tap on the airplane mode again. So what this will do is it will just improve the speed of your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Now, if you are still facing the same problem, you just have to try this method in which you need to just open your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here you need to simply search for Intune company portal. Now, once you are able to find this application, you need to tap on its icon and check for any update. If you see any update, simply tap on the update option in order to update your application to the latest version, and then tap on the open and check if you are facing the same problem or not. Now, with the help of these three troubleshooting methods, you are definitely going to fix this issue. And if you do that, do let me know that in the comment section below. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more app solutions. And thanks for watching. Bye.